Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, Cultural Heritage of India, Handicrafts and Fine Arts, lecture number 24. Friends, today we are going to deal with the last lecture of this chapter. Friends, as you have understood that in this chapter we learned about several types of art. You can understand by the lecture number that lots of several arts have been discussed in this chapter. We discussed in a very minute way about each and every arts in detail. Friends, we discussed about from the beginning that there are 64 references of different types of art in our Indian culture. Friends, each and every art has its own contribution, has its own value. Friends, when we are discussing about these type of arts, we learned from the very beginning when we understood about the clay art, which is associated with human being. Friends, since ancient time, before the minerals were found, this clay had its own importance. People used clay for each and every necessity. Here it is said, even the houses of people for dwelling purpose, this mixture of clay and cow dung was used, which was known as tubas. Friends, we learned about each and every art in detail. We learned about how the hand weaving art of India is famous by the muslin cloth of Dhaka. It was so smooth that it can even fit in a matchbox. It can even pass from a ring. The whole taka could even pass from a ring. So these were the qualities which made these arts worldwide famous, and it gave fame to our country. Friends, when we discussed even about the Patola pattern, we learned that though these art being very time consuming and complicated art, we had several artists who performed this art very skillfully. Friends, we learned how the rulers at the time of Siddharth Jaisingh, these people got encouragement and they settled in Patan. Friends, we learned about the importance of leather industry, the leather art, that even in the ancient time, lots of things that was made of leather was used. Friends, we discussed about the diamond and the beadwork. We discussed about the different type of painting art, music art, dance art. We also discussed about the very well-known dramatic art, for which it is said that it is this dramatic art which preaches sanskars according to our culture to the people of India. They preaches us sanskars by giving knowledge through the medium of entertainment. Drama is performed by a host, pair of clowns, and lots of entertaining performers. They show their talent through the medium of acting. Friends, here it is said that acting is the soul of drama. We have seen lots of message is passed to the society through the medium of this dramatic art. Friends, after that we also discussed about the different arts like Bhavai art. Here it is believed that these Bhavai art, well known in Gujarat, was introduced by Asit Thakur. The characters of these Bhavai, like Rangla Rangli, they used to pass the messages like save girl child, and girls, they educate the people about the girls' education. They aware the people about girls' education. So friends, lots of such arts were present in our heritage. They were present in our culture that taught us about the values and customs of our culture. Friends, we discussed about the different dance of Gujarat, like the Garba dance. Why the people of Gujarat, they play this Garba, they sing this Garba to worship Lord as Adya Shakti, or Jagdamba we can say, the goddess of power. They used to play this Garba by striking hands in a circle. The word Garba is derived from the Garbdeep. Friends, we learned that this Garba is played at the time of Navratri in Gujarat, which is celebrated for 9 nights, from Aso Sud Ekam to Aso Sud Naumi, and in some places up to Aso Sud Dasam, that is Dasera. Lots of people also play this Garba on the day of Sarad Poonam. Friends, after that we discussed about the Ras, another well-known dance of Gujarat. Friends, here we learned that this dance was preached by Lord Krishna to his devotee Narsi Mehta. We discussed about the Gov Gunthan dance, one of the form of Ras, in which very skillfully the performer used to tie one end of the rope on the mandap pillar or tree, and the other hand on the other side of the rope they used to hold in their hand, and the other hand they hold the dandiya, and they used to play this Gokuntha dance in a circle. Friends, this created the cripple-like structure. They used to create the gunthan and open it. We also learned in our previous lecture about the Damal dance of the Siddhis. Friends, we learned that these Siddhis, which were also known as the Hapsi people, they originated from Africa. This Damal dance was performed by these Siddhis people. This was also known as Masira dance. They performed this dance by striking this Masira. Masira, it is the coconut shell in which the earthen lamp is kept, covered with the cloth on it. They used to strike this Masira, and by striking, they used to dance in a circle. They used to hold small drums in their hand, and they used to dance with a high and low pitch of ho-ho sound, which echoes in the whole forest. They used to imitate the voice of birds and animals. They used to wear the peacock feathers and imitate the voice of the animals and birds. So this was some of the information about the Damal dance that we learned in our previous lecture. Today we are going to learn about 3 more dance, that is Merayo dance. We are going to cover the topic about Merayo dance and Pada dance. Merayo dance, Pada dance and Koli dance. Friends, here we are going to cover in this last lecture about these 3 dances. Friends, we have information, very short information about these 3 dances in our book. So we will start with by understanding Merayo dance. Let us start by understanding the Merayo dance. Here it is said, people residing near the temple of Banaskantha. People residing near the staple of Banaskantha do this Merriot dance. So, if the question is asked in objective, friends, that by whom this Merriot dance is performed, here it says that this Merriot dance is performed by the people which are residing near the staple of Banaskantha. They prepare a toran made of tall grass. Friends, they used to prepare a toran that is made of tall grass of 12 grass of, here we say they prepare a toran, or we can say they also weave this toran, weaving toran. They also used to weave this toran. They prepared a toran made of tall grass of reed and junjari. They prepared the toran. They weave the toran made of tall grass of root and junjari varieties, we can say. Varieties. So, these people residing near the staple of Banaskantha, they do this Merriot dance. They prepare a toran. They weave this toran that is made of the tall grass of reed and junjari varieties. People dance on the beats, on the drum beats. Here we say that people dance on the drum beats and also holds sword in their hand. Friends, here we say that how this Merriot dance is performed. Here we say, first of all, the first information is given that this Merriot dance is performed by the people that are residing near the staple of Banaskantha district. They prepared, here we say that these people, they prepare, they weave the grass, that is a tall grass that is made of reed and junjari varieties. These people perform this dance on the drum beats, on the drum instrument. People dance on the drum beats by holding sword in their hands, and they perform this Merriot dance. So friends, this was the information about Merriot dance. Now let us understand about Padar dance. Now friends, let us discuss about this Padar dance. Here we say this dance is mainly performed by Padar community people, by Padar community. Friends, here we say that this dance is mainly performed by the Padar community of Surendranagar region. This Padar community, mainly Surendranagar region. This dance is mainly performed by the Padar community. They reside at the Surendranagar region. They dance they dance on the tal of, means these Padhar community people of Surendranagar region, they dance on the tal and lay of Dandiya and Manjira. Friends, here it is said that they dance on the tal and lay of Dandiya and Manjira. These Padhar community people of Surendranagar region, they dance on the tal and lay of Dandiya and Manjira. While dancing, they generate the scene. While when they are dancing, they generate the scene like sea waves. When they dance, they generate the whole scene like sea waves, or like a ship moving on a like the ship moving on sea waves. So friends, here it is said, they dance, while dancing they generate the scene like sea waves. They perform the dance like the sea waves go, right? And sometimes it looks like that a ship is moving on the sea waves. So friends, this was the information about the Padhar dance. It is performed by the Padhar community of Surendranagar region. These people dance on the tal and lay of Dandiya and Manjira, and this dance is performed in a manner, it creates a scene like it is sea waves or like a ship moving on the sea waves. Now friends, let us understand about the Koli dance. Now let us understand about the Koli dance. Friends, please take care. It is Koli dance, not Kohli dance. So please do not write the well-known cricketer's name, Virat Kohli. This is Koli dance. Like Mario dance, Padhar dance, this Koli dance is also very famous. Here it is said that Koli community people, this Koli dance is performed by the Koli community people of Saurashtra. Perform Koli dance. Friends, here it is said that this Koli dance is performed by the people of Koli community. Here it is said, while dancing, they hold Madrasyo. Here it is said, while dancing, they hold Madrasyo on their head and wear Madrasyo on their head and also wear headgear. Friends, here it is said, while dancing, they hold Madrasyo on their head and also wear headgear on their head, decorated with embroidery, decorated with embroidery art. Here it is said by embroidery. And mirrors, embroidery, and also mirrors are there on their headgear, and mirrors with green color tied with, here it is said, tied with green color belt. Friends, here it is said that they also decorate this handbag with embroidery and mirror, especially mirror with green color embroidery belt. So here we can understand, friends, that this Koli dance is performed by the Saurashtra people of Koli community. While dancing, they hold madrasyo on their head and also wear the headgear, जिसे हम पाग बोलते हैं, पागड़ी. They wear headgear that is decorated, that is embroidered with green color mirrors, with the green colored belt and mirrors on it. They also wear, we can say, bed on their waist while performing the dance. While performing the dance, they also used to wear the belt around the waist. So, belt is also worn by these Koli community people while performing the dance. And here it is said, it is very famous dance of Koli community. It is very famous dance of Koli community. Friends, here we have the information about the Koli dance as well. Koli community people of Saurashtra region, they perform this dance. It is done, they dance by holding madrasyo on their head with the headgear, and this headgear is decorated with it. Thank you.